अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं अबाउट सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़। अगर आपने सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़ का लेक्चर नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने लिंक रखा है, तो प्लीज़ पहले वीडियो को देख लीजिएगा फिर क्वेश्चंस कीजिएगा। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन इंक्लूडिंग ऑल सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़। द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज गोनोरिया which is an sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis, which is again an sexually transmitted disease. Genital herpes, which is again an sexually transmitted disease. Now look at the second option. Gonorrhea, which is an sexually transmitted disease. Malaria, which is an protozoan disease, which is not a sexually transmitted disease. Genital herpes is sexually transmitted disease. Third option is AIDS, which is an sexually transmitted disease. Malaria, which is an protozoan disease. Filaria, which is an helminth disease. Cancer, this is not a sexually transmitted disease. AIDS is a sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis is again a sexually transmitted disease. So the correct option is only first option, because these all diseases are sexually transmitted disease. So the correct option is A. Next question is, which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? क्योंकि आपको पता है हमारे पास तीन डिजीज़ ऐसे हैं, तीन सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़ ऐसे हैं जिनको कम्प्लीटली क्योर नहीं किया जा सकता है। नंबर वन इज हेपेटाइटिस बी, जेनाइटल हर्पीस, एड्स, राइट। So the correct option is D part, genital herpes, which is not completely curable. Next one is match the following sexually transmitted disease with their causative agent and select the correct option. As we know, gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease caused by Neisseria gonorrhea, right? Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease caused by Treponema pallidum. Genital warts is again a sexually transmitted disease caused by human papillomavirus. And AIDS is again a sexually transmitted disease caused by HIV. So the correct option will be second, third, fourth and first. Second, third, fourth and first. This is the correct option. Next question is, which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? आपको वो ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करनी है जो कि सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज नहीं है। क्योंकि आपको पता है ट्राइकोमोनियासिस एक सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज है जो कि ट्राइकोमोनास वेजिनली से होती है। एनसेफेलिटीज जो कि सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज नहीं है। साइफिलिस जो कि एक सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज है जो कि ट्रिपोनिमा पैलिडम से होती है। एड्स जो कि HIV वायरस से होती है जो कि अगेन एक STD है। नाउ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एनसेफेलिटिस जो कि सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग सेक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज? आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन आइडेंटिफाई करनी है। The first option is, a person may contract syphilis by sharing milk with one already suffering from the disease. No, this is wrong option, because syphilis is only transmitted through sexual contact. Second option is, hemophilia is one of the STDs. No, because hemophilia is an X-linked genetic disorder. Third option is, genital herpes and sickle cell anemia are both STDs. No, this option is also wrong, because genital herpes एक STD है बट सिकल सेल एनीमिया एक STD नहीं है जो कि एक ऑटोसोमल जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है। D option is, the chances of a 5 years boy contracting a STD are very little. This option is correct, because at 5-year age sexual contact is impossible, right? That is why the fourth option is correct. Next question is, which one of the following does not correctly match a sexually transmitted disease with its pathogen? We have to identify the correct option. The first option is syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum. The first option is correct because syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum. Second option is wrong because gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea, right? Urethritis is an STD but not caused by Bacillus anthracis. That is why this is again a wrong option. Soft sore, this is an sexually transmitted disease but not caused by Bacillus brevis. That is why this is again a wrong option. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates from our channel. Thanks for watching again.